Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Locate the image you want and save it in Pictures. On Windows, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize or Open Settings Personalization. On Mac OS, open System Preferences Desktop and Screensaver. Once done, make sure you're in the background or desktop pane so you can see preview thumbnails. This first move gets you into the right control panel quickly and avoids wandering through unrelated menus, so you can change the image without extra steps. You'll now pick and refine the picture. Click Browse or the plus icon to add your saved photo, select it and watch the preview update. Next, choose the display option. Fill keeps aspect ratio, fit shows the whole image, stretch fills the screen but may distort, center leaves borders. If you want rotation, add several images and enable slideshow, then set the interval and toggle shuffle. Make sure the image file isn't open in another app, because locked files can't be applied. Finish by applying the change. Click Set as Background or Apply, then check each monitor if you use multiple displays. On Mac OS, closing preferences confirms the change. If the background reverts or won't update, restart Windows Explorer or log out and back in. On Mac OS, try relaunching System Preferences. Also check file permissions if the image file is unreadable. If problems persist, a simple reboot usually clears cached display settings, so your new...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.